Imagine stepping into the world of the McLaren Speedtail, a limited edition Hyper GT masterpiece that remains one of the most extraordinary road cars ever created, even in late 2025. This is not just another supercar, it is McLaren's ultimate expression of speed, elegance, and innovation, blending hybrid power with aerodynamic purity in a way that still feels completely futuristic. From the outside, the Speedtail is pure, uninterrupted flow. Its teardrop-shaped silhouette is designed for minimal drag, with an elongated tail that stretches dramatically behind the cabin. The entire body is crafted from carbon fiber, sleek and seamless, with almost invisible shut lines that give it an almost liquid appearance. Innovative details set it apart. Static carbon fiber covers over the front wheels smoothly channel airflow, retractable HD digital rear-view cameras replace traditional mirrors and only deploy when needed, and patented active rear ailerons, flexible carbon elements integrated into the body, extend at high speeds to provide balance, downforce, and braking without any conventional wing. The result is an incredibly low drag coefficient that allows effortless velocity, and a presence that is elegant rather than aggressive, timeless beauty born from pure science. Approaching from the front, the slim LED headlights form a distinctive C-shape flanked by side scoops, flowing into a low, wide stance. Every curve and surface directs air from nose to tail without interruption. This is the most aerodynamically efficient McLaren ever built, and it shows. The car seems to glide through the atmosphere as if it is barely there. Opening the signature dihedral doors reveals a revolutionary three-seat layout inspired by the legendary McLaren F1. The driver sits centrally in a commanding solo bucket seat, with two slightly rearward passenger positions on either side, creating an immersive, perfectly symmetrical cockpit where the driver is the undisputed focal point. The materials are groundbreaking. Directional leather that provides subtle grip yet allows easy entry, lightweight hides, aniline finishes, and innovative textiles never seen before in a car. The dashboard is minimalist and driver-focused, with controls placed overhead for easy reach, and high-resolution screens replacing conventional mirrors. Through McLaren special operations, every example can be made unique with bespoke colors, trims, 24K gold accents, or custom luggage sets matched to the interior. Despite being a hypercar, it feels surprisingly spacious and luxurious, with luggage areas both front and rear for genuine grand touring capability. The real magic begins when you start the pioneering hybrid powertrain. A twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 producing around 746 horsepower is combined with an electric motor, delivering a total of 1,050 horsepower, 1,036 horsepower, and 848 lb-ft of torque. The instant electric boost provides ferocious acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds, 0 to 100 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds, and a staggering 0 to 186 miles per hour, 300 kilometers per hour, in just 12.8 seconds, faster than any production car at its launch. The top speed is electronically limited to 250 miles per hour, 403 kilometers per hour, unlocked in special velocity mode that lowers the ride height, retracts the cameras, and optimizes aerodynamics for ultimate high-speed stability. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts with lightning speed, while the lightweight carbon monocoque, active suspension, and carbon ceramic brakes deliver razor-sharp handling and complete confidence at any velocity. The Speedtail is not about track aggression, it is a Hyper GT created for effortless, high-speed grand touring. It flows with the road, offering a serene yet thrilling drive where power feels infinite and the world blurs past in near silence or the glorious sound of the V8. Limited to just 106 examples, all sold out long ago, this rare icon continues to turn heads and set new benchmarks. The McLaren Speedtail is engineering poetry in motion, science fused with art, speed fused.